Protecting yourself from the effects of nuclear fallout. Nuclear fallout is a dangerous and devastating reality that can happen at any moment. Preparing for such an event is critical to ensure survival. Here are 15 essential tips to help you survive a nuclear fallout. 1. Create an emergency plan with your family and practice it regularly. 2. Invest in a high-quality gas mask and a radiation meter. 3. Build a shelter, either in your home or outside, with a minimum of 4 inches of concrete or earth covering it. 4. Store food, water, and essential supplies such as first aid kits and batteries in your shelter. 5. Know the symptoms of radiation sickness and how to treat it. 6. Stay indoors and limit your exposure to the outside air as much as possible. 7. Seal your windows and doors with plastic and duct tape to prevent the entry of radioactive particles. 8. Avoid using electronic devices and appliances that could create sparks and ignite fires. 9. Turn off the main gas supply to your home to prevent gas leaks and fires. 10. Use a bucket of sand or dirt to cover and extinguish any fires. 11. Keep a battery-operated radio on hand for updates and emergency broadcasts. 12. Avoid drinking or eating anything from the affected area until it has been deemed safe. 13. Keep a low profile and stay away from large populated areas to avoid panic and chaos. 14. Be prepared to evacuate if necessary and always have a backup plan in case your primary shelter becomes compromised. 15. Stay calm and stay informed. Knowledge and preparation are the keys to surviving a nuclear fallout. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.